Alright, this charger by DIYtoolifz, whatever, works with knockoff batteries, if you would call them that, or non-name brand batteries, and also Makita batteries, but I have a no-name battery on it now. What's cool about this as well is you can do custom settings. So for instance, like one of my tires, or the inner tube of the tire on my dolly or hand truck, has a rating of, I think a max rating of 30 PSI. So I always go a little bit under, but I have this set at 29, which is pretty cool, because sometimes those gauges you can't trust, which still I'm going to use the gauge just as a second opinion, if you will, after or when I start pumping it up. But right now I have this thing set to 29 PSI, so that's a really cool feature. It's also got a cool light here. I don't know if you see that. Flasher. I mean, this thing's excellent if you keep it in the car or the truck. But yeah, that's the review. This is obviously goes with Makita batteries. As you can see, the housing's practically the same pattern, especially on the grip, as Makita. So excellent value, functions well. So definitely worth the money, guys.